Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 X1. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.